Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely facelift Range Rover Evoque 2 litre HSE, top specification. As you can see, it's got the front parking sensors, facelift model front grille and bumper, gloss black alloy wheels. It's finished in a beautiful yellow white which has a hint of grey to it. Rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, HSE rear diffuser with the twin exhausts. Absolutely lovely condition. Panoramic roof, I'll show you that in a minute. Boot area is all in lovely condition. So you've got the full black leather interior with the white stitched piping. It's got electric memory seats, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows, mirrors all there. Step into the car. It's 80,732 miles. It's got cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, 3-stage heated seats, driving dynamics, climate control. We've got here satellite navigation, heated seats, media pack with DAB, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music. All in all lovely condition. Aux, SIM, USB. Lovely full panoramic roof. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.